and we eat chicken. Oh, Niggas, that's Sprite, okay? Oh, wow. This is so Jerusalem. Oh, no. Hey, garbage chicken. Oh, no, and he's frying it. You're frying it. Oh, it looks so damn yum. It's so perambulating. And now you done? Hey, yeah, give me now, give me small, please. Oh, wow! You know what's this one? Oh, body butters chicken meat. This is so perambulating. So earthquaking. Oh, no. Oh no! You have cooking deluxe. You have deluxe in cooking. Eh? Oh no! So rabble school. Eh? Oh, body butters are cook. Jamal, there's some stripes, okay? Oh, it looks so. Oh, okay. Shawarma. Hey, it I'm not done, no. It I'm not done. Hello? Okay. Chicken peri. Hey! Oh no. One thing I like about it is that you know how to toss food. Like, you know how to make food look so perambulating. You make it look so earthquaking. You mix. You understand? You mix. You toss your meat. You inconstipate your hand into the meat and oh no, I can never explain how you make me feel now. You make me feel so halluced. Oh no, so reconstipated. Hey, honey, they used to save meat too.